Hello, we're gonna fix today, replace a screen, Tecno 6 Pro, Tecno ke7. So first we hit this, first we gonna remove the SIM card. After we remove the SIM card, we remove this frame by nail or by some tools like this. Okay, now we're gonna remove the screws. Let's cut the screwdriver. First time I do fix this kind of phone. Mostly I usually fix Samsung and iPhone, but let's see how it goes. We put the parts here. Alright. Looks like there is a lot of plastic above it, so we have to remove the plastic so we can see all the screws. Alright, we can see if we're done here. One more here. Oh yeah. Alright, we remove the first part. Let's start with the top one. I have, like I said, you have to remove those tapes, useless tape they put, I don't know for what, but all right, here we go. Alright, we start by one here screws. Those are so annoying tapes. I don't know why they put this. Nothing inside this. Okay, there is this side now. All right, found two more screws. Fingerprint. There is one screw under the fingerprint. Looks like there is one more here somewhere. Maybe in the corner here. One more in the corner. And another one one here was. All right, that's it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you remove this one. We remove the battery as usually first. Okay, now I'm gonna see if this one, if they send us the right screen. Let's try it out. The connector work. Okay, it works. Okay, next we're gonna remove the battery. It has some glue here. Let's try, and some glue here. We're gonna heat it, put it on a hot plate for like a couple minutes. So now we have to install this on a new frame. So we have to remove the old screen. But first we need to remove the battery. Okay, after heating it, we're gonna try to remove the battery. You need some tools to go under like this and push it. All right, we remove the battery. Since it's hot, make it flat again. Okay, as you can see, this is the screen, this is the screen. We don't need to remove anything else. We just remove this. Now we have to heat the frame, the screen, all the screen, and we remove it with a razor. So we're gonna start heating. We're gonna try to get like after you can get like the screen to be lifted up a little bit, you can get like two playing cards, put it under, and if you get under it, it's done, game over. It go out easy. Boom. There is another connector here for the charging port. Okay, so after we remove the old screen, we need to do some cleaning. You need to do some cleaning before you glue it. Remove all the glue, food, anything. Okay. For the new screen, okay, you can use double tape, small one, or you can use like super glue. I'm gonna start with a double tape first to make sure everything works out. Choose the smallest one you have, cut a piece and try to put it on the side here. I know it's too small. Do your best, because later I will tell you what to do. Just put a super glue on it. But before you put a super glue, you need to make sure the screen works and the touch work. Okay, so what we can do now, we can remove gonna remove the double tape. Okay, we remove the first one. Okay, that's more than enough. Double of the can remove this one too, since we have it here. More piece. Okay, just let's remove the old tape here. Okay, you need to put this, no, from the other side, sorry. This one all the way, and you need to get the charging port in also at the same time. Okay, after we got those two in, oh, there's a, okay. We can stick it. It looks perfect. And we can go here the same. Try to connect it. Okay, that looks good. This one, boom. Now let's try the battery. You see, it's easy. When you have all your pieces in a place, it's easy. We got the battery. Let's see if we can charge it. Here we go. See if we're gonna get some charge. Ooh, this one has the old charger. Okay, we got an old charger. Let's see what we got. All right, it turned on. So let's charge a couple. Okay, it has 2%. We can turn it on right now actually. So let's see, I think this is the power here. Just press on it. I don't know if we have to charge it more or maybe this one here. Or maybe we have to press on this one. All right, so it turned on. That's a good sign. Okay, so it's working. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. Okay, after this, just put back this one and this one and screw it and glue the back. That's it. It's easy. Thanks for watching. See you next video.